Hey guys, welcome to Droid Crunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video, we're going to talk about FlexClip. FlexClip is an amazing software if you are looking to create videos from your browser or online. This software allows you to create videos from the scratch or allows you to have different templates. For example, I have logged into my account and you can see all these templates right here. Okay, and on these templates you can search, like if you want to create a food related video you can just search food. Okay, and all the templates regarding food will be popped up in this nice grid layout where you can see all of them. You can hover over them and see the transitions, animations and everything inside the templates, like you see in the YouTube videos sometimes on hover. And you can see here like videos for Instagram story you can use, probably you can use for YouTube. Okay, you can use for Instagram, like they're all dimensions in this template. And here are like 216 video templates in all related to food. And if you just search the query different, like if you modify this, and you can see like 103 templates regarding education, travel. Okay, and if you opt to create from the scratch you can do that too. Okay, so if you opt to create the video from the scratch, you have two options. One is to start using storyboard or the timeline mode. Storyboard is like for shorter videos, I would say, and it is more useful when you have less scenes. But if you have like a lot of transitions, a lot of stuff, layers, or probably images or something, the content is very much, then you can use the timeline mode, and it enhances your productivity if you use this one. I would just always recommend to use this timeline mode because it is more powerful and it is good. It is better than this storyboard. Okay, and here you can choose the dimensions, like you want to choose 9 by 16, you want to choose 1 by 1 square dimension, or you want to use 21 by 9 or 4 by 5. So this is landscape for your YouTube videos, this for your Instagram stories and all, and this for your Instagram feed post or Facebook or anything. So you can choose any of this. These three are the most used. Okay, so let's choose this one. Let's click on it, and here we choose this timeline mode 2.0. It is gonna take a little bit of time to prepare all the assets for you. And here you can see this nice editor where you have this canvas. Here your scene, you can add more scenes from here, and this is a timeline. Okay, you can just close it, and here's your media files. You can upload, you can record your screen as well and import it in your video. And then you have text. You can use the basic text, you can use the dynamic text. Basic text doesn't have any animation in it, but dynamic text is having all the animations that you may require. And the text styles you can also choose. You can use social media text. The lower thirds are pretty amazing. You can choose any lower third as well, whether it's any podcast, or you want to show speaker name, you want to show channel name, or anything, then you can use this option. Okay, so here you can see like tons of lower thirds that you can use. Okay, and here are the video. You can upload or use any video from here as well. These are all like stock videos that you can use. You can search like the kind of video that you were in need. For example, you need a video related to technology, then you can search technology in the search bar and all the videos will be popped up, and you can use any of it. Just click on this plus button and it will be added to your timeline, as easy as that. And then you have photos option. Photos option is also very amazing. You can search and you can use any of these images from the stock library, and you can also use GIF images. Okay, and then you have this music section from where you can set the tone, the mood for the music. For example, if you are in look for happy music in your video, or you are looking for inspiring background music for your videos, then you can just check on this option. You can choose a genre, and for example I can choose a corporate, for example not corporate, ambient I can say, and then all the music related to inspirational and ambient would be listed in here, and you can just easily add this to your timeline. And you have all these temp elements, all these video elements that you can use. Just click on it and it will be added to your timeline. Okay, and it works like this. So it looks very useful if you are using an outro video for your social media. And here are the masks that you can use, and you can insert any photos or anything inside these masks. For example, I can have this laptop mask. Okay, it is not pretty clear because of the canvas background color. So what we can do, we can just click on this canvas and we can change its color, and it looks now more in detail and more visible. Right now you can just head over to this image photos option, and here I can drag this image over it, and you can see how it has been clipped inside of this mask. Okay, and you have seen already these kind of masks in many other softwares like Canva, InVideo, and many out there. All of these softwares have these capabilities, and it is very useful and it works pretty amazing. Now you can use all these shapes, you can animate these shapes, you can have all these arrows. These are very useful. So as you scroll down a little bit or more, you will be able to see more of the options that you can actually utilize in video. You can use this filter option to filter your video. You can adjust it, not video, the element actually that is selected on the canvas, right? Like the image, for example, here. Okay, you can adjust its exposure, you can adjust its contrast, you can change its brightness from here, you can change the temperature for the element that is selected over here, you can change the tint, you can change saturation, highlights, shadows, vignette, and all of this. You can actually do all of this for any of the elements that is selected in the canvas. We can also select this motion option, and you can have all these animations like fade in, fade out. From left it would come, okay, enter and out. You can use any other animation, pop-up animation, wipe animation, rotate animation, flip animation, zoom in, zoom out animation, and then a special bounce in animation. So these are all the animations that you can use, and this is in and out animation. If you choose in animation only, then the animation will be applied only on the in, like when the video or the element will appear, this animation will be applied on it. And if you choose this out animation, the animation will be applied on the last part of the element, right? So this is how you can apply the motion animations to your elements in the video. You can have all these overlays as well, like these decorative overlays look pretty amazing, you can use them. Okay, and you can also use these big title overlays, right? For example, if you're making a video that requires a title like 5 best Android apps, then you can use this kind of title overlays. It's helpful. And you can also have this contact information overlays like this, okay, inside your videos, wherever you want. Like you can use them in the outro of the video as well, or you can use underneath it like this, okay. and if it is a podcast, then you can also use it. Backgrounds, there are like many backgrounds that you can see. There an abstract background, technology background, effect background is very interesting. Like you can see this nice effect over here. Let me add this. Probably it is not added yet. Okay, so now we can see right here. Okay, it is gonna take some time because it's probably in video. Okay, we can just leave this part for here, or probably it's taking longer than I expect. Okay, but yeah, you can use these effects backgrounds as well, but you can also have this gradient backgrounds and geometric backgrounds, some light backgrounds, photo backgrounds, gold background, texture background. Here are the many texture backgrounds, you can see all of them here. Okay, flower backgrounds here. So there are like tons of backgrounds, so the possibility is limitless. This color background is quite interesting. You can see all of them, they're very nice looking, animated. Okay, so you can use them as well. So here is the watermark as well. You can add your own watermark, but this thing you should take into your mind that you should have an upgrade account, otherwise you may lack some of the features. And it is a free account, by the way, but I'm having all of these features. I can use to its full extent, some extent probably, but if you have a paid account, you have more of the features. So let's talk about FlexClip pricing and what you are gonna get. Okay, so here you can see the pricing plans and what they offer. So if you have probably a free plan and you want to use the free plan in start, then you have like 480p SD downloads. Like you cannot download your videos in HD format, and you will have to stick to 480p, and you can download 180p, and you will have to rely upon only this quality, and this is very basic quality, and no one watches or recommends videos in this resolution, right? And if you want, if you really want to have more capabilities, then you will definitely need to just upgrade to the basic plan. So free plan is like just for testing, I would say, or for your less projects. Like if you are looking to create videos for clients who require some good quality, length and everything, then you cannot rely on FlexClip free plan. You will need to upgrade. So the basic plan comes with 720p HD downloads, one stock video per project, save unlimited projects online. You can have like unlimited projects. Okay, compared to this, you cannot have like unlimited projects. You can have only 12 projects maximum, but here you have like unlimited projects. Video length is up to 3 minutes compared to free plan that is only 1 minute. You can have some custom branding here. Okay, and you can have no FlexClip watermark. Here you will get the watermark, and here like 10 GB cloud storage as well, and you can have like 50 GB of video hosting space as well. You can upload your custom fonts. You can have 25 background removal credits. Okay, so background removal is like you can remove the background from the images like you do in Canva and some other software. So this is a paid feature, and you can use like 25 only. Okay, so this is the basic plan that allows you all of these things, but still, if your client is looking for like full HD videos, then you can also not rely to this basic plan, because it doesn't allow you 1080p videos, right? So this is one of the most popular plans of FlexClip, It is just $9.99 per month, but if you go like with monthly billing, you will see that it is approx $20. So it's like 50% off if you go with the annual plan. So annual plan is like $120 approx annually, right? So here you get like most of the things that are like recommended or that may require if you are looking to create some better videos. So it is like 1080p videos, full HD, and 5 stock videos per project. Like if you want to have more of the videos in one single video that you're creating, then you can have like 5 stock videos based on this plan, and you can have like unlimited projects like this. And the videos length is now 10 minutes. Now you're no more restricted to 3 minutes like in the basic plan, and you can have some custom branding, no flexible watermark like this, but the storage is increased. Here it is 30 GB compared to 10 GB in basic plan, and here it is 100 GB compared to 50 GB in basic plan for the video hosting space. And now you can upload custom fonts that you could upload also in basic plan, and 100 background removal credits compared to 25 in basic plan, right? So this is one of the most popular plan, and this video also includes a giveaway, so you can check out the link in the description to enter the giveaway. And in this giveaway we are giving this plus plan to 5 winners. So all the winners who win will get this plus plan for a year, like a monthly bill, billed annually. If you see, it is like $119.88. So you will get this plan, and just check out the link in the description, and if you win, you will be able to have this plan. So the giveaway will end on like 11 of April, sorry, not April, it's May. So it will end on 10 of May and it will be announced on 11 of May. So please join this giveaway, and you may have this plus plan. And if you go with the business plan, you have like more of the things, but you can like there's no 4K, so it is like you get like almost everything, right? But if you want to remove this stock videos limit and you want to have more length per video, then you can definitely go with this plan, where you can unlock the video length and have like 30 minutes per video, right? And if you think that this pricing is pretty much, then you can head over to AppSumo. Okay, AppSumo is a marketplace for softwares, and where you can find some lifetime deals, and you can search on FlexClip here, and you can see that FlexClip is available on AppSumo for like only $49, and it is lifetime deal. You will not have to pay every month or annually. You can have the software and you can have like all of these features, right? And it is like what, $400, and here you can have like 720p, but that's the restriction, because you are going to get only basic plan for $49. Okay, but it is lifetime. You will not have to pay monthly or annually. So this is also a good deal if you are looking to have this basic plan and you do not have to pay much. Then you can buy from the AppSumo and have access to all of the features that you get in basic plan, and probably some more features as well. So this was all for today's video. If you also want to get this AppSumo plan, you can also check out the link in the description. And yeah, so if you have any questions, you can head over to comment section and ask me. And please don't forget to join the giveaway, and you can be one of the winners out of the 5 winners that will get plus plan of a FlexClip software. So thanks for watching, and if you are a new user, please subscribe to my channel, because I come every time with some interesting videos of the software, WordPress tutorials, and all of these. So thank you so much again, and have a great day. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.